What's going on, guys? I got a 2011 Honda Pilot. I'm going to reset the oil light. It's pretty much the same for all of these generations. I have a different heads-up display over here, MID. So what you're going to want to do is scroll through the menu. I'm going to pretend that I'm just, trying to find it, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. All right, so now when you're in this mode down here, if you have this selector, I have the navigation system, so this might work for only this car. I'm not sure about a non-navigation screen. There might be another button up here. So what we're going to do is scroll until you find the percentage, and we're going to hold it down. All right, so now we're going to go up. We're going to go up to reset. We're going to hit reset, and if you notice, it says B1. That's the service that's due. B is oil change with filter, and the 1 is rotation of tires. I already did that, so I'm going to reset it. And now I'm at 100. All right, guys, hope this helps. This was a reset on a 2nd gen Honda Pilot. Thanks.